everyone. So there are only 15 subscribers when I'm creating the content of this video, and I cannot express my thank you enough to each one of you. This video and the blog post also related to this content is for everyone who is taking out time, to stopping by and clicking on this video. And through this video, I want to tell everyone that there are magical things happening around us, there are magical things happening to us. So let's get started.
Hello YouTube. So I'm here in Otsu. This is in Shiga Prefecture, Japan, and I have a very special unboxing to do today. This unboxing is actually a present sent by a very special friend. The idea of 1 minute, sorry, okay, yeah. So the idea of sharing the unboxing video with her, it was suggested by her, but this friend doesn't know that I have started this small YouTube channel. So I thought that, well, this is going to be something really very special for me, and I should be shooting this here in this beautiful location here in Japan. We are here for a very short holiday, and just going to check out now in a while, and I just thought that before we actually leave this beautiful place, let me do the small unboxing part here itself. So I'll just start in a while.
Okay, so before I go further and show you the unboxing part of this video, I just thought that let me also show you a bit around this place. This is early morning, around 6 a.m. and a very beautiful, serene, calm and magical morning, as you can see here. And I would definitely recommend this to anyone planning to visit Japan.
Say hi.
Hi.
So, are you excited to open this box? What is in it? Okay.
Okay, so I was actually requested to include my son in this video and also get the box opened by him. So I have done this for her. And now a little bit about the background story. The video content would be short, so please do check the blog for more on the story. And here what I mainly want to share with you is that when I thought to start creating my content, my one big struggle which I felt would be the ideas and the inspiration. Because coming from a very tough kind of a corporate background, I felt at times even my emotions have gone more mechanical, or I'm not being very natural in my emotions at times. That's what I felt. So anyway, so what I want to tell you here is that I thought that I would struggle a lot for inspiration, but then when I actually sit and think on any idea for the content on this YouTube which I want to share with everyone, I have always felt that people around me, the children, the daily commute, the smiles that we exchange, which I exchange every day with people during my commute, everything is giving me a lot of lovely ideas and inspiration to create my own unique kind of content. So when I received this beauty, first I felt so very happy to receive it. I love the Tanishq collection. I already have a number of pieces from Tanishq and also from the Mia collection of Tanishq. I have always liked Tanishq ads, their creativity, and because I didn't know, I knew that I am going to receive a present from her, and I was requested to create a video and share it with her, but I didn't know it will be a Tanishq jewelry piece, and so I really feel so grateful for this entire experience, and through the experience me getting this chance to create a blog and video content and sharing it with you all. Okay friends, so thank you very much for taking out time and clicking on this video. It doesn't matter who you are, but the whole intention of creating this video is that I would like to tell you that there are people around you who love you and support you. And because I come from an IT company background, I would like to say that program your mind, program your brain, program your heart in a way that you are able to see that there are a ton of magical ingredients around you inside your life. So thank you very much once again. See you all very soon. Bye bye. Take care. Oh yes, and for the sake of this video, thank you very much my wonderful petite girl for this lovely present once again, and not only for this present but giving me this idea for creating the content based on the experience. Thank you.